Hey there everyone, it's Caitlin, your geeky girlfriend here. I am so excited to bring you another unboxing video and product reveal from another brand that I am so honored to be collaborating with. The brand is YouStella, YouStella, right here on Instagram, YouStella, and we are collabing, and so you can use my code CaitlinM25, KAITLYN25, and then there's an M after the N, so Caitlin M25. You can see the link right here in this video and in my bio for you all to get 25% off your purchase. So I'm so excited to reveal some of their products to you guys. This is a hefty package. Just came in the mail today. I love the saying, your day is now made, #YouStella. So you can look them up right here on Instagram using that hashtag. You can see that hashtag in the video description and in my bio. And let's go ahead and see what I got. I'm so honored to have so many brands reach out to me about collabing, and I hope you guys love the products as much as I do. Wow, I got a lot in this package today. So the first thing we got is this is just a little card. I am now a YouStella babe, and it just kind of gives me information about how to proceed in the collab process, so I'm definitely going to need that. Now, because I signed up when I did, I was able to get a free gift. So they sent me this beautiful crystal bracelet, which is, I mean, you can see it shimmer and shine. Look how it goes very well with my rings there. So I got that. This was a free gift for me being a new ambassador, but they have a lot of great deals and sales on their website and in their shop. So I got the crystal bracelet, and I got another little black, and they sent the jewelry in these nice little jewelry bags, which are so cute. Gonna have to separate these a little bit. Little bit tangled here. That's all right. Such to be expected with a with travel, but it's untangling really nice, so no worries. Just a little shake. But this is a necklace set, so it's like a layered necklace, and you can see these are all products off of their website, you guys. So you can see it kind of has some stars, and I know there is still a little bit of a knot at the bottom that I have to try and work out, which I will do later. But the knot really did shake out pretty easily when I first got it out of the little jewelry bag, but that's to be expected when jewelry is in transit. So I'll work on getting that out, but a beautiful little layered necklace. So cute. I'm not going to put that back in the bag because I need to untangle that. So those were two of the products that I got as a free gift just for ordering. So now let's get into what I actually ordered and the items that I was so happy to receive because I just love them. Now, this is a maroon maxi dress, and you can look forward to a try-on haul of all of these items coming very soon. So this is a maroon maxi dress, and it's stretchy. It is a little bit sheer, not gonna lie, but it's intended to be spring and summer, so it's okay for it to be like a lighter fabric. Just a classic t-shirt bra on will be good to go, but I love the color of this. It is like that dark maroon, which if you guys watched my story last week, is one of my favorite colors that I have in my wardrobe. But there are no nicks, no holes, no tears. Everything looks good. It has some minor wrinkles, but again, shipping, that's what ordering online does, folks, so nothing major there. Now, it is stretchy, which I love, so it's going to be form-fitting, but I'm really excited to see how this looks on. So super cute. So look forward to a try-on haul of all of these items coming really soon. Maybe next week, maybe this week, if not next week. So I actually ordered the same thing in olive green because I just couldn't turn away from these maxi dresses. So I looked at the model and I looked at the size information and I just loved both of these colors. So we've got the deep maroon and then this one is like a classic emerald green, almost like an olive, but a little bit, it's kind of a mix between like an olive and an emerald. So it's just this beautiful green. Your silica packet there. And again, same material. This is the exact same dress. I just could not pass up the color. So the colors are great. It's the same fabric. It's going to be nice and cool in the spring and summer because it does have almost like a silky texture. So I'm really excited about these two items, and they'll be a great combination piece with the next item, which is, and everything is individually packaged, which is nice, and they put the tags in here, but the tags are not attached to the clothing, which I think is interesting. Makes it easy for, like you don't have holes or anything like that. So you get all the tags to your clothing, but none of the tags are actually attached. So I got this classic Vogue T-shirt, which I just love. Again, great fabric, super soft, and it's a little bit stretched, not too much. The letters look pretty good. There's no cracking, none of that. It's definitely going to be probably a hand wash only piece, so that way the letters stay nice, or an inside out wash piece. But how cute would this look over that green dress, you guys? I mean, I just could not. It'll be so much better in the try on haul. I can't wait to show you guys, but I just could not pass this up. Just classic tee, great with jeans, great with a hat, just the perfect spring look. Great with sandals, great with boots. Like, this is gonna be an all year piece for me for sure, because this could be worn with a cardigan, this could be worn with a jacket, a scarf. So just a really great basic piece. Again, guys, I'm doing an unboxing from YouStella, and you guys can use my code CaitlinM25 for 25% off your order. And I'm so excited about all of these products. And I have one last thing to show you. Now, this product did come in a slightly different bag. This one has a zip top bag, and these products came really fast, so shipping was super quick. I didn't have to wait very long for these products at all, and I love that because I hate waiting for things. I get so impatient waiting for products to arrive. So this one is going to be hard for you guys to see it, but this is a two-piece set. So these are the bottoms. Look how cute. Now, these are obviously very, very sheer. You can see the light coming right through these. But again, spring and summer piece. You're just going to need definitely some white undies under here, so you're not completely showing yourself. So they're a little bit on the sheer side, but we'll have to see how they look with the length. But this is the bottom, and then this is the top, which again, I'm going to do a try on haul so you guys can get a look at how all of this stuff fits. But this is going to be the top. So this is a floral two-piece set, and the top is a little bit less sheer than the bottoms, but again, if you have a sticky bra or even a white strapless, you're going to be good to go with this because it is so light, and it's a spring and summer piece, so it's supposed to be light, it's supposed to be airy, and really, honestly, when you put it on, when I put it against my skin, it's, because of the color of it, you can see my shadow, obviously, but against my skin, you don't see my skin through it. So it has a sheer quality, but I don't know if it's, I don't think it's going to be completely see-through, but I guess we'll find out. If so, oh well. A little bit on the, little risk we have to take sometimes with these sheer pieces, but again, some white undergarments and you're good to go. definitely a spring and summer piece, but just look at the print. How cute! And you could even mix and match this with some blue shorts, white pants. So these two pieces, a white tank, a blue tank, like that's what makes these great, is they go together, but then you could also wear them separately. So super cute. So all of these products came from YouStella Shop right here on Instagram at YouStella or Shop YouStella. I will have the link to their site in my bio and my code for 25% off for all of you followers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am so excited to show you all the products in a try-on haul coming soon. So if not this week, early next week. So look out for that if you're a devoted follower, and you guys can have that to look forward to, is this try-on haul. Again, use my code CaitlinM25 for 25% off your purchase at YouStella. And I can't wait to show you guys what these products look like on, and I hope you can find something that you absolutely love to add to your spring and summer wardrobe. I'll see you guys in the try-on haul, and then I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. Thank you for watching. XOXO!